Well, hello everyone. As you all know me, I'm your science teacher, Miss Rija, and today we will learn about the human body. The body has many parts: bones, joints, muscles, and all the parts of the body perform different important functions. And you will learn the body contains many organs. So as you all know, your body is like a wonderful machine. It can do hundreds of different jobs. These jobs are done by different organs and systems. The organs and systems perform different functions, but they all work together. The brain is the control center of the body. It controls all the systems and organs. It controls memory, thinking, taste, smell, touch, sight, and hearing. It is a muscle control. Active the heart, stomach, kidney, etc. The sense organs. These help us to sense the world around us. The sense organs take in information and send it to our brain so that we can aware from our environment. Eyes. When the eye sees something, they send a message to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. Ears. The ears receive sound from outside. The sounds are carried to the brain. The brain tells us what we are making the sound, where the sound is coming from. Nose. Many things give smells and scents. These smells travel through the ear. The nerves in the nose receive the smells. The brain tells us if pleasant or not. Tongue. The tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue is covered tiny pores which taste different things. We can tell if something is sweet, sour, bitter, salty, or hot. And now about the skin help us to feel. Just under the surface of the skin are the end of the nerves. When we touch something, the nerve ends send a message to the brain. We can feel heat, cold, pressure, and pain. The system of the body. The organs and other parts of the body from different systems. The skeletal system. The human body has a framework of bones called skeletal system. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. The muscular system. The muscles make up the muscular system. This system works closely with the skeletal system and forms parts of the body's framework. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the different body.